Kizzy tell tenpoint to remove him woman K to add her law.
So I'm now, fella. How you come up in my box this morning?
It a video call me show you what I say. I be curious. Yo, Kizzy, how to get me in a problem in a youth? Kizzy.
Hello. Where you at?
Kizzy. Kizzy. Alright.
Where you live in Kingston?
Eh?
You live in Kingston?
What more?
Can you pull up and help me write a song because I have a collaboration?
Kizzy. You wanna kill me, that's all.
To help me write a song?
You want to kill me, that's all.
Ask her if you can help me write a song.
I'll say if we can help her write a song.
Yes, because I have a collaboration.
I don't know.
I don't think you can add her. That's why I kept telling you have to drop her because I need your help musically.
Musically.
Yes, I'm at your Airbnb.
Alright. For the music, man, Kizzy. For the music. Nothing. Isn't it?
I listen to your songs. They sound really nice. I feel like maybe you could give me an idea.
Yeah. What kind of song? What kind of idea?
I want it to be more like a love-making song, but hardcore.
I was in.
Could you help me write a song, 10 points?
Yeah, I need to write a song, man. I know I'm free that man.
I have to send you the redeem. You have an email? What's your email, 10 points?
10.09@gmail.com.
10.09? Matter of fact, can you come to the studio later? Or are you going to be busy? Going to the studio too? No, what is going on? I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Why are you being so nervous? Oh, my WhatsApp numbers or TikTok. 10.09. Okay, 10 point. You're gonna hear from 2NTENN.09. Okay, I've been in the email box. Don't worry yourself.
Where is my baby? Jesus Christ, I'm good now.